What's going on, guys? It's your boy Houdini, and I kind of have, well, not bad news, but I guess it's bad news for, man, I don't even know. But I'm making a good financial decision to not bring my car down to H2O. I'm not gonna have it ready. I did not want to run up my credit card just to have it ready and rush things. I don't want to put bolts in the wrong spots and all that other shit. So I'm gonna be taking the Blazer. And I just installed something on it that I'll show you guys that is going to be fun down at H2O. But as far as the G, after H2O, full assembly will be happening. Bumper's going to get it painted, and that's going to start going on the roll. Today we're going to Eric's house. We are wrapping the race truck. So he has a new turbo. The race truck is running great. He has it on 20 PSI now. And it's fucking fast. I'm gonna head over there now. I'll show you guys what I have installed on the Blazer. It's pretty funny. It's gonna be fun at H2O. I installed some things, some kind of illegal things. I was going to put front-facing blue and reds on it, but that's like a felony. Like, I knew it was a felony, but I'm like, I figured the cops at OC wouldn't really mess with me, which I still put the lights on, but I don't know if I'm gonna turn them on. Let me unplug them. I don't want to be driving with them on by accident. It's like a legit felony. But I do have this. Has sirens on. I'll show you guys when I hit the main roads. I'm still in my neighborhood. But also, if I'm talking a little funny, it's because I got a retainer in now. Oh man, I'm gonna get in so much trouble with this thing. Watch. Oh, this is not a good idea. So we're probably gonna get in trouble, like a lot of trouble. Eric!
And fucking down, bitch.
No, bitch, I'm talking about with the PA system.
Can I see the vlog real quick?
Don't touch my camera.
Can I see the vlog real quick? What's up? I bought that blue Miata. It's boosted now, dickhead. I'm pulling on his G. I'm pulling on the truck.
What do you mean? Oh, that fender? Yeah. Chill, bro. Peep the new wheels on her, though. Wait, why are you wrapping the... What fender is that one?
So this one's staying. This one's coming off. It's messed up right there. So we're gonna... I got a new one and I banged it out because feel this right here.
Oh, damn. That shit's right on the wheel.
Nothing in there. Yeah.
What'd you hit it with?
Hit what way? Oh, I hit it with a hammer.
Oh my god, you did the same thing this dickhead did.
Yeah, but mine doesn't look bad.
There we go. Phase one of the wrap. Phase one. Eric, what you doing, boy?
Just wrapping out here, that's all.
Come get me, bro. Am I in the frame? Come get me, bro. Am I in it right now? Make sure you get this rap action, bro.
Bro, we gotta get some cinematics.
That's why I wanted you to practice with it.
Damn, Pete, dude.
Man, baby. It's like I got my own gimbal. Zach the Gimbal. That's his new brand. Follow him on Instagram, Zach the Gimbal.
I'm about to just record shit on your phone for the cinematics.
You can't. You want to shoot? You want to try to shoot like a nice edit?
Got you,
bro. Yeah. This next this next shoot is by Zach, edited by me. So if it's poop, you know why it's poop.
Cause you edited it.
Monkey.
Danny Chow. Welcome to Jaden's vlog.
Fuck this vlog.
ain't trust myself to be cutting shit. Eric would have fucking fucked me up if I cut it too short. But I think we did good, Eric.
Nah, we did pretty good, man. Looks passable, baby.
Feel me?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
You see some orange peeling here, but that's the paint under it.
That's just that's how it is at the bottom of the truck.
Oh, really?
It's like that texture. Yeah.
Oh, chill. That cost extra then.
Yeah, that's extra.
Feel me? You see that? Then the orange peel, high quality.
Pretty good with the XLT.
For real, the XLT come with the.
Nah, I don't know.
Zach Nuttass trying to wrap his phone case.
Fuck you mean trying?
Zach Nuttass wrapping his phone case. We get the cloudy day reveal. Yeah, that joint got fingerprints all over it.
I'm gonna hold it over you.
Look like paint, you feel me?
Gotcha.
Not bad, kid, not bad. Today, I'm going back up to Eric's to see how far we get wrapping the truck. Everything's already prepped, so today it's just gonna be wrapping, I'm pretty sure. Also, I tinted the blazer windows. Looks like Dookie, but it was free. So you see that? You can't see that from outside though. Plus I did them at night with like just my porch light. I was just throwing them on there, squeegeeing it, and real quick. Hey, bet he's not even outside. Ooh.
Double cup, become HUDINI.
Eric, what you doing? Dog, so many people said this shit was paint. I said so many people said this was paint.
Did they?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Let's fly, baby. What's up?
Man, how you doing?
Good, good, good.
Yeah, I got this little strip done.
I know.
Just took like 35 minutes.
It's pearl though.
It's not bad. Get to the side and,
Ooh.
hey,
Ooh.
because we're gonna wrap this so it'll just cover that. And
Wrap what?
when the roof, it goes
Oh,
under
yeah.
there and comes, we can just put it under there.
Door jam quality. Feel me? Not many wraps give you that. You feel me? We'll get it done.
Yeah.
Definitely before HUL.
That's what I'm hoping, man. It's a lot of work. It takes so much time.
I know, but it's worth it, bro. You see how this front came out? He wrapped the mirrors too.
Wow, you kinda did. That was just some scrap.
Yeah. Moving that, moving it. Oh, damn. Leave it like that. One burgundy, one black. It's like, it looks fly though, dog.
Thank you.
It's gonna look good.
Anyway.
I know, I can tell. I can hear it in your voice. H2O prep.
I'm burnt.
My baby just turned 21, so you can tell why his voice sounds like that. When we gonna do some interior mods, baby?
Oh no, baby. It don't sound nothing like that for this thing.
I know.
I just need some seats. Some
You
seats and a wheel.
You just gonna have to do some custom fitting, bro.
Yeah, I mean, I can get some seats and a wheel and I'll be happy.
Yeah. What's this?
It's the Turon fan.
Oh, okay. I'm hyped.
Me too. I just want to.
I just want to go to HUO,
I
bro.
know.
5 days.
How are you
bro.
getting down there?
The Blazer.
Oh, the Blazer. Okay, yeah, yeah. All right.
I need to get the G back.
I know, man. I miss it.
I know. I'm so salty. Like, it'll be drivable, but I wanna.
You don't want to fuck it up, huh?
Yeah, I wanna bag it. I wanna get the on it. I wanna get the turbo on it.
Hertz and a mess and a E85. You gonna go all out?
Splash. That pre-paint prep for wrap. Bro, this joint rips too. It does rip. It feels like I think it's faster than the G NA.
Now where I have it versus when I raced you, it's a lot fucking faster.
This wrap color is crazy. Smoking that, booping that. Roof's done. I had to let Eric finish it because I got a little scared on it.
Could your lights get? I'm gonna.
I didn't get scared on it, but we laid the whole joint, and then I had to let him finish it out. I didn't want to cut it, and then he tried to blame me for some shit. But it's clean, boy. Another successful day up at Eric's house. I'm currently on my way home now. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up, and then I guess I'll do part 1 and part 2 because we're gonna try to finish it this week before H2O is done. Before H2O. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like. Well, that's the same thing as a thumbs up. Share and subscribe if you're new.
Oh, fuck.